Hey you guys, and welcome back to Homemade by Sibo. So in today's video I am bringing you guys a haul. It is a haul of a few collectibles, not collectible per se, but just some stuff that I found on Facebook Marketplace, and also stuff that I thrifted. And because, oh, by the way, today is the 3rd of August. Happy new month, you guys. I'm so excited to be just a little bit closer to spring. If you guys saw my garden video from last week, you know how my garden looks like. But anyways, so that's why I'm very much excited now to move on to spring. And because I also don't want to make this video any longer than it should, I'm just gonna get right into the video. So the first things that I'm gonna start with my Facebook finds, and then I'm gonna move on to the thrifted stuff. So first thing on the list is my chairs. I'm not sure where I'm gonna put these chairs just yet, but I got these chairs on Facebook Marketplace for 500 rands, and I love the detailing on them, especially because they look some type of vintagey, and I also like the legs as well. Basically, I love the vintage look on them, and I'm not really too keen about the fabric. I am gonna change it up. Hopefully it's not too expensive, but I'm gonna change up the fabric anyway. And yeah, these are my chairs and I love them, you guys. And moving on, we have my fireplace irons. I bought these also from Facebook Marketplace. I got them for 200 rands. I love that they are very small, and they actually remind me of home because we used to have a fireplace. Not just a fireplace, but because my great-grandma, I grew up with my great-grandmother, and we used to like have fire all the time, especially in winter and sometimes in summer, because where we stayed, it was a private estate, and the house used to get very cold because it was on a hill and there was a lot of trees, and it was nestled inside the trees. There were a lot of like gum trees, like you guys know, and jacaranda trees as well. So we used to have cleaning stuff for the fireplace. It used to be nice and cozy, and we used to sleep in the lounge sometimes, especially in winter, because it was one of the places in the house that used to get so nice and hot. So this was the spade, like, and it comes with the sort of the organizer, so it just hangs there. And then this is one of the irons that you use for poking your wood. And then if you want to change up the wood, or sorry, there's someone with a bike. If you want to change up the wood and stuff, you just use these and your logs when you put it inside the fireplace and stuff. And then it also comes with a low broom for cleaning the fireplace, of course. I really do love it. I think I'm gonna be spray painting this with there's this Rust-Oleum spray that's mainly just for what you call fireplaces. I think I'm gonna use that. I'm not too worried about this part. I don't know, I might spray it, I might not, but I think if I revived it a little bit, it would really look great and just give it some more life to it. Okay, and then moving on, as my light fixture, you guys, I'm so excited for this one because I didn't thrift it, I found it on Facebook Market. I got it for 400 rands, you guys, and I'm super excited because this light, when I saw it on Facebook Marketplace, I was thinking of my patio. We are yet to build a patio, but I'm super excited for this. So yeah, I also think that if somehow it manages to fit into my lounge, maybe I will use it in the lounge, but I spotted it specifically just for the patio. And then moving on, it is my pot. I already planted stuff inside the pot, but this is how the pot looks like, you guys. I am so in love with this pot. The first thing that drew me to it was the mosaics, or like broken tile on it. I just love everything about it. And then the bird was I think it's one of the things that really got to sell me on this pot. I'm so in love with it, you guys, and I love the fact that it is nice and big. I can put in a plant in here that doesn't really get crazy with roots, with the rooting system. So yeah, I love it, you guys, so much. And as I mentioned, I did plant some flowers inside. And then moving on, it is my piece that I also got for our patio, because we are thinking of putting up a bar on the patio. So I got this piece specifically just for the bar. It is a it's mostly just metal, different recycled metal, you guys, and then it's on a piece of a rock, and it is so beautiful. I love it, you guys, so much. And I got this from a place called Man Van Stal. It's here in Paris. I love it so much. We saw quite a bit of things that we liked, but the prices. This was 550 rand. There are some pieces that are much more affordable than this, and there are also ones that are much pricier. One of them is a piece that has like a train and stuff like that. My husband is very much interested in that, so I thought maybe we should save it up for him, just for the bar as well in the patio, because he's got some of his pieces from work, because he's in the transportation industry dealing with locomotives and trains. So it makes sense for us to, you know, put something that really makes his heart skip a bit. So yeah, and then moving on, I also found, oh my god, okay, I also found this. This is a dome of a light, a lampshade or light shade, but I thought of it for the patio, maybe on the lounge side of the patio or on the dining side of the patio. And I'm gonna obviously DIY it and bring it to, I'm gonna toss this shade thing that they used, and I'm just gonna use the frame of it. Maybe it is gonna be nicer on the, I don't know, I'm not sure, but I will see which side it fits better on, either on the lamp side or on the dining room side of the patio. But yeah, I am gonna DIY it. I'm thinking of using materials that are more natural to bring more texture to the space as well. It is quite huge too, you guys, and I got this for 195 rand. Moving on, we have some candle stands, a set of candle stands. I got 3 of them. They are made from metal as well. There's 3 of them. I love them so much, you guys. And they were 150 for the 3. Not really heavy, but you know, just not really heavy, but I just liked the look of them. This is how they look like. I really love these, you guys. And like, and then I can just get decorative candles. Either use them when there's load shedding. You know what? The funny thing is that, well, my husband first of all doesn't like candles lit in the house because we are also on guests. His biggest worry is that what if there's if it's just the kids alone and they get used to having to light a candle and then they forget. So yeah, but I feel like sometimes we don't really need to switch on our generator, because maybe at that time we are either on our devices or watching something or on a laptop and just lounging on the bed, or you know, around load shedding time. So I feel like if we have like candles, it makes it a little cozy. So I really love this for that. I do have actually 3 candle stands that I got from Peterson and Leonard at the time when I bought my armchair and my light, and they actually gifted me that after some time. And yeah, and then the other thing that I got, also some candle stands, but these ones, I love them, you guys. The texture on these, they feel like they are cast iron, but they are so beautiful, you guys. Look at that. There are 2. I got them, I believe it was 95 rands for both. And I'm not even gonna change the color because I love them so much, you guys. This is how they look like. I so love them. Oh my goodness, they are so cute. But anyways, that brings us to the end of the video, you guys. Thank you so very much for watching up until this far. If you haven't done so already, please do consider to subscribe to Homemade by Sibo, and also to check out my other videos to catch up on what is happening here. And if you haven't done so, please don't forget to smash the like button and also to share my videos, you guys, because I do think that some of them are really that informative, and you can just share them to your loved ones if there's something that you feel like some of them they can use or follow up on, because I do have some very detailed tutorials on some of my videos. Anyways, thank you so much for being here once again, and with that said, I will see you on my next video. Bye guys.